Lagun Vertical Universal Milling Machine, model Fva-5La, serial number 58253813. Machine was new in 1983. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a universal head and also a universal table. It's geared head. Right now we're feeding it in the x-axis. You can see on the digital readout. So it's got X, Y, and Z knee feed. It also has quill feed. That's rapid traverse. All right. It's feeding the Y. And also rapids in the Y. It's a box-way construction machine. You have 55 inches of X, 17 of cross, 16 of knee, 5 of quill, and the table is large, 17 3/4 by 78 3/4. That's your vertical feed of your knee, and also your rapid. Now, you're feeding the knee down and rapiding the knee down. Okay, we're going to try that's the quill feed. Again, that's a 50 taper. It's a geared head. Okay. Let's try a couple more speeds. You have spindle speeds from 28 up to 1400 RPM. That's the jog button that he's hitting. All right. It's a lower RPM. And you have, right there is the soft start. And that's how you start the feed. We're going to run another speed. This machine's a what? Okay, 25 RPM. 45. Okay, and you can see that again. This original paint. Machine's in nice condition. Can be inspected here. Hey, thank you for watching our video.